in the previous lectures, we have completed the chapter sets of class 11 mathematics. Now, this is the lecture number 1 for the chapter relation function class 11th. So, the first topic in this relation function is the Cartesian product. Now, what is a Cartesian product in the relation function? The two known empty sets P and Q. The Cartesian product is denoted by this sign cross. P cross Q is the set of all ordered pairs of the elements. Ordered pairs of the elements from P to Q. That is Q is important. That is P cross Q is equal to an ordered pair AB such that first element should belong to the first set and second element should belong to the second set because it is from P to Q. So the Cartesian product of the two sets, that is both should be non-empty. It is denoted by this cross sign. It is a set of all ordered pairs of the elements from P to Q. If we have taken the sets P and Q, that is P cross Q is an ordered pair, curly bracket should be there. A should belong to the first set and B should belongs to the second set. Let us take an example. Now, if we have the set P which contain the element 1, 2 and the set Q which contain the element 3, 4, then P cross Q will be the four ordered pairs will be there. That is 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3 and 2, 4. This is. The first element should be from the first set and the second element should be from the second set. Now, if we want to find the cross Cartesian product of Q and P, then the first element should be from Q and the second elements should be from P. That is 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2. So this is the definition of the Cartesian product of the two known empty sets. Now, after that, there is a important definition or the topic, that is the relation, and listen it very carefully. Relation, and then we'll discuss the functions. Now, what is a relation? A relation R, it is denoted by capital R, from a known empty set A to a known empty set B is a subset of A cross B. Relation is a subset of A cross B. The subset is derived by the describing relationship between the first element and the second element of the ordered pair A cross B. It is a subset of A cross B, and there is a definite relationship between the first and the second element. It will be given in the question. The second element is called the image of the first element. जिसका second element होता है, if we let this is a relation, then this is second element is known as the image of the first, and it will be a subset of P cross Q, any subset of any Cartesian product, and there's a definite relation between the first and second. Now, there's some definitions or the terms in the relation. The set of all first element of the ordered pair in the relation from A to B is called the domain. The first element होते हैं, that is known as the domains. Just say if this is a relation, then 1, 2 will be the domain. Then the set of all elements of the ordered pair is relation from A to B is called the range of R. Just all the set of all the second elements, sets of all elements of ordered pair is called the range of the given relation. And what is the third term? The whole set of B, that is the all elements of the second set, is the codomain of the relation R. So domain, the first element, range is called the second element of the relation, and the element, all elements of the second set is known as the codomain. So domain, range and codomain. Let us take an example. For example, we have taken a relation. This ordered pair is Y, and there should be a definite relationship between the first and the second. So what I've taken? I've taken Y is equal to X plus 1, means second element is 1 more than the first. This is the relation which will be always there. And R, relation R is from A to A. First set is also A, second set is also A. And if we let that A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I've taken the set A as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will be the relation? The relation will be, if we take the first element as x be 1, if we take x as 1, because we have to take the element from this set A, we have to take the value of x as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the value of y should be also from this A, because it is A cross A, that is x should be in A and y should be in A. So if we take the value of x as 1, then y will be 2. If we take x as 2, then y will be 3. If we take x is equal to 3, then y will be 4. If we take x is equal to 4, y will be 5. If we take x is equal to 5, then y will be equal to 6. Now we cannot take the value of x as 6, because then the value of y will be 7, and y is also belong to A, but 7 is not in this set, so we cannot take the value of x as 6. So what is the domain of this relation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Range 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Domain and range, and the codomain is the all element of the second set. The second set is here is A, and all the element of this set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the codomain. Now we can draw the ray diagram of this relation also. I've taken this set is denoted by set A, set B. Element in A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Element in second set is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the relation? Domain is 1, then the range is 2. Domain is 2, then the range is 3. Domain is 3, the range is 4. 4 ka 5 and 5 is 6. There is no range for this, because the range of this will be 7, which is not there in this set. So this is the definition of relation, and how to convert. This is the set builder form of the relation, and this is the roster form of the relation. So this is the relation. After that, we have the topic function, and see it very carefully. It is an important topic for the 12th point of view also. Now, what is a relation? What is a function? Sorry, function or relation from f. It is denoted by f. Function from a set A to a set B is said to be the function if. कब function कहलाएगा? If every element of set A, concentrate on this word every element of set A has one and only one image in set B. Again, concentrate on this. Has वन एंड ओनली वन इमेज इन सेट बी. हर एक एलिमेंट का जो कि पहले सेट में है, केवल और केवल एक इमेज होना चाहिए. केवल और केवल एक इमेज होना चाहिए. Now I've taken these examples and I'll tell whether this is a function or not, and why it is a function and why it is not a function. Let us take these two sets. I've taken the relation 1, 2, 3. The image of this is 4. The image of this is 5. Let the image of this be 6. Now this is a function. Yes, I've written this is a function because every element of this set has the image, and हर एक element की केवल और केवल एक image है. हर एक element की केवल और केवल one image. Now this is not a set. Why? Because this element does not have its image. क्योंकि according to the definition of the function, every element should have one and only image. तो इसकी image नहीं है यहाँ पर, तो it is not a function. Now I've taken this example. Now in this example, the image of 1 is 4 and 5, which is should not be there according to the definition of the function, because element 1 has 2 images. So this is not a function. Now 1 and 2 की this is the same image 4, and 3 is 5. Now according to definition, every element has one and only one image. 2 की same image हो सकती है, 1 की 2 image नहीं हो सकती हैं, और 3 की 5 इमेज है. हर एक एलिमेंट की केवल और केवल एक इमेज है. Yes, this is a function. Now this is also a function because every element has one and only one image. यहाँ पर एलिमेंट नहीं छूटना चाहिए, यहाँ पर छूट सकता है एलिमेंट, बिकॉज हर एक एलिमेंट की इमेज यहाँ पर है. Every element has one image here. In the roster form, I have taken this example. The image of 2 is 1, the image of 3 is 1. 2 की same image हो सकती है, 4, 2. Yes, this is a function. 2, 2, 2, 4 ये फंक्शन नहीं है, बिकॉज यहाँ पर सेकेंड एलिमेंट 2 की 2 इमेजेस हैं. इट इज नॉट अ फंक्शन. इट इज नॉट अ फंक्शन. Now there is a various types of functions. Modulus function, you know it. Modulus means if modulus of 1 is 1, modulus of minus 1 is 1, and this is a way to represent a modulus function. That is modulus x, if x is greater than equal to 0 लेना है, x लेना है जब x is greater than equal to 0 है, minus x लेना है जब x is less than equal to 0. Signum function is that which has the range of only 1, 0 and minus 1. जिसकी range केवल 1, 0, minus 1 होती है, that is known as the signum function. 1 कब होगा जब x की वैल्यू greater than 0 होगी, 0 when the value of x is 0, minus 1 when x is less than 0. So these are some types of function, modulus and signum function. Well, you should have the good hand on the definition of function and the relation and the difference between them. We'll continue in the next chapter. Next lecture. Thank you.